Hello, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Ram ProMaster, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports are. So from here, from the front, we've got a USB port, an aux port here, and then if we look down to the center here, we've got two charger ports that you can access just by lifting these. And then if you've got an aftermarket radio, like something like this, for example, a lot of times they'll run an extra cord off to the side or into the glove box, which this does have, and a lot of times you can plug right into that too. But I hope this was helpful, and if these aren't working for some reason, first thing I check are fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could cause these to be inoperable. Something else to check, see if it's just like one area that's not working, like just one charger port, for example. You might need to get back under the plastic to see if there's like a loose connection or something like that and needs repaired or replaced. But otherwise, I hope all this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.